Look at this question. Compute the fraction of bandwidth that is wasted. Actually, if you have the bandwidth, some of it you are going to waste, and that is why I'm talking about the effective bandwidth or bandwidth utilization. Effective bandwidth or bandwidth utilization is always efficiency into bandwidth. Now we know that the fraction of bandwidth that is used is efficiency into bandwidth. Then what is the fraction of bandwidth that is wasted? From the bandwidth you subtract fraction of bandwidth that is wasted, that is utilized. Then this is the fraction of bandwidth that is wasted. See, this is the used bandwidth and this is the unused bandwidth. Therefore this is the fraction of bandwidth which is unused, which is nothing but 1 minus this into b. So this is the wastage of bandwidth or fraction of bandwidth which is unused. So compute the fraction of bandwidth that is wasted on overhead. What is overhead is whenever we are sending frames, along with the frames you are sending the headers, that is the overhead, and along with that we are going to do lot of retransmissions. Retransmissions are also overhead on a heavily loaded 50 kbps satellite channel, which means you are having a bandwidth of 50 kbps with data frames consisting of 40 byte header, 40 bits header and 3960 data bits. So a frame is containing 3960 data and 40 bits of header. Then acknowledgement frames never occur, which means we are not using any acknowledgement frames. Negative acknowledgement, NAC means negative acknowledgements. Negative acknowledgements are again 40 bits. So whenever a packet is lost or corrupted, then 40 bit negative acknowledgement is going to occur. And the error rate of a data frames, which means when you send a frame, the probability that it gets corrupted is 1%, which means if you send 100 packets, 100 frames, one frame is definitely going to be corrupted, and for that corrupted frame only we are going to get a negative acknowledgement, and after that we are going to retransmit it. And the error rate for negative acknowledgement is negligible. So don't worry whether a negative acknowledgement will be lost, because they are saying that whenever you send a negative acknowledgement, that will never be lost. Then they are asking about the fraction of bandwidth that is utilized and fraction of bandwidth that is wasted. They are asking about the wasted bandwidth. So we know that efficiency is always useful upon total. So efficiency in this case is useful bytes or useful bits divided by total bits. So among the total bits, how much is useful or how much is used, right? So what is total bits? Watch it once. So what is total bits is, let us assume that we are sending 100 frames. In this 100 frames, if you have to send 100 frames, how many bits will be actually transmitted? In those actually transmitted bits, how many are useful? Generally headers are not useful, and negative acknowledgement is not useful, and retransmissions are not useful. See this? So efficiency is useful bytes upon total bytes. So efficiency is, let's find the total bytes when I want to transmit 100 frames. If I transmit 100 frames, what is the total data bytes and header bytes that will be transmitted is, data bytes is 3960 and header bits is 40. This is the total bits that are transmitted in 100 frames. Along with this, whenever you are sending 100 frames, one frame will be corrupted because error rate is 1%, and for that corrupted frame we get the negative acknowledgement. Therefore negative acknowledgement is 40 bits plus that particular corrupted frame has to be retransmitted. So in order to transmit 100 frames, we have to transmit 100 frames and we should get one negative acknowledgement. We will get one negative acknowledgement, and therefore we have to transmit one more frame. So we have to send totally 101 frames in order to send 100 frames, right? Therefore I am sending 3960 plus 40. I hope that you understood this point. Why am I sending, in order to send 100 frames, why am I sending one more is, they are saying that 1% is the error rate, which means if you send 100 frames, one frame is going to be corrupted. For that corrupted frame we get one NAC, and along with that we get one retransmission. Now in this total data, how much data is actually useful? So the useful data is, in the 100 frames, only the data part is 3960. So this is the useful. You please do the math, you will get some fraction, that is efficiency. Now after finding out the efficiency, what is the fraction of bandwidth that is wasted is, fraction of bandwidth that is wasted is 1 minus efficiency into bandwidth. So you find out this efficiency and you do 1 minus that efficiency and multiply with bandwidth. So this is nothing but the fraction of bandwidth which is wasted. That is how you should solve such questions.